Assalamu alaikum friends. Today's our topic is CPEC. CPEC means China Pakistan Economic Corridor. Let's start our topic. CPEC is an economic corridor between China and Pakistan. At present, that corridor is an under construction which estimated cost above $54 billion. The aims of this project to connect Gwadar port in southwestern Pakistan with Xinjiang in far western China. The project including various infrastructure in terms of energy projects, motorways, highways and railways to be built in order to link Gwadar and Karachi with the Chinese region. The vision and mission of CPEC is to improve the lives of people of Pakistan and China by building an economic corridor promoting bilateral connectivity, construction, explore potential bilateral investment, economic and trade, logistics and people-to-people contact for regional connectivity. It includes integrated transport and IT systems. IT means information technology systems including road, rail, port, air and data communication channels. Energy cooperation, spatial layout, functional zones, industries and industrial parks. Agriculture development and poverty alleviation. Tourism cooperation and people-to-people communication, cooperation in livelihood areas. These are some factors of CPEC. Financial cooperation, human resource development. The current form of the project was first proposed by the General Pervez Musharraf. However, it was postponed owing to the political instability in the country. The ex-government of the Pakistan People's Party proposed it again when President Asif Ali Zardari invited heads of all the politics parties to a luncheon in the honor of Chinese Premier Li Qiang at the Aiwan Sadr on 22nd May 2013. In February 2014, Pakistani President Mamnoon Hussain visited China to discuss the plans for an economic corridor in Pakistan. 2 months later, Pakistan's Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif met with Premier Li Keqiang in China to discuss further plans. Resulting government announced its intention to the finance Chinese companies as part of its $45.6 billion energy and infrastructure. Under the CPEC project, major upgrades are sectioned to energy and infrastructure. Pakistan's transportation network comprises reconstruction and upgrade works on National Highway 35, which forms the Pakistani portion of the Karakoram Highway that spans the 887 km long. The Shanghai Electric Company of China will construct two 660 MW power plants as part of the Thar I project in the Thar coalfield of Sindh province, while Thar 2 will be developed by the separate consortium. The facility will be powered by locally sourced coal and it's expected to be put into commercial use in 2018. Pakistan's National Electric Power Regulatory Authority NEPRA has agreed to purchase electricity from both Thar 1 and Thar 2 at the tariff of 8.50 US cents kWh for the first 333 MW of electricity, 8.33 US cents kWh for the next 660 MW, and 7.99 US cents for the next 1099 MW as further phases are developed. Liquefied natural gas power LNG projects are also considered vital to CPEC. The Chinese government has announced its intention to build $2.5 billion 711 km long liquid natural gas pipeline from Gwadar to Nawabshah in province. As part of CPEC, the project will not only provide gas exporters with access to the Pakistani market, but will also allow China to secure a route for its own imports. Pakistan Navy and Chinese Navy ships are to jointly guard the safety and security of CPEC project. As Pakistan seeks to expand the role of maritime forces, from December 2016, Pakistan's Navy established a special task force, TF-88, to ensure there is a maritime security for corridor. CPEC is considered economically vital to Pakistan in helping it drive economic growth. The Pakistani media and government have called CPEC investments a game and a fate changer for the region, which would be one of the largest ever sums of foreign direct investment into Pakistan. As a result of improved infrastructure and energy supplies, the Pakistani government expects that the economic growth rates will reach 7% by 2018. China-Pakistan economic corridor is hope of better region of the future with peace, development and growth of economy. So friends, if you like this video, subscribe our channel and click on the notification bell for more updates and videos.